Hello everyone. Today I'm talking about an app which is not a new one but is not so widely and popularly known by people, but it's a very useful app. I'm talking about Google Translate. Now when I open this Google Translate app, you can see here at the bottom it is showing me the search results which I have done before. So all these search results can be seen at the bottom. In the center you can see there is camera option. I can click on the camera and translate any of the text which is available. Now for example, I'm not now going to open a book and now I'm going to translate it. Now I'm clicking on this and you can see here it's optimizing. Now I'm just aligning the text and you can see it's getting translated into the language. Actually the book is not in Hindi, it's in English, but it is getting translated into it. So this is very helpful for us. Not only a book, you can translate signboards or any such material that you have. I'm going back. Now the second option is conversation. When I click on
जब मैं अंग्रेजी में हिंदी में अनुवाद कर रहा हूँ
so when you're talking to someone who doesn't understand your language, this can be very helpful. At the top you can see by default I've selected English and Hindi. You can change the languages as you wish. Next is transcribe. Now you can see these languages can be switched from between, and you can click on this language option to change the different language, change into a different language. If you don't know which language somebody is talking, you can select detect language and it will automatically detect the language, so you don't have to worry about what you are searching for if you don't know the actual language. Other than this, you can see there are some options like phrasebook where you can save the phrases, offline translation where you don't require internet for translating it, and the next option is the pen. You can see here the pen where I can actually write something, and you can see it has understood the handwriting and taken this is a Hindi sentence. So you can, instead of typing, you can also use this feature of using a pen. I hope this helps you all. Thank you.